Profit and loss. The price that the seller buys the stuff at is called the cost price. The price that the seller sells the things at is called the selling price. Cost price means buying price. Selling price means selling price. Find out the cost price and the selling price. A fruit seller got apples for rupees 700 and sold them for rupees 1000. Here the cost price is rupees 700 and the selling price is rupees 1000. An electronics dealer sold washing machines for rupees 35,000 which he had purchased for rupees 45,000. Here the cost price is 45,000 rupees and the selling price is 35,000 rupees. If the selling price is more than the cost price, then there is a profit. Selling price is lesser than the cost price, then there is a loss. Look at the deal and say whether it is a profit or a loss. What is more? The cost price is more. If the cost price is more, the seller lost money. So it is a loss. Look at the deal again and say whether it is a profit or a loss. What is more? This selling price is more. If the selling price is more, the seller made money, so it is a profit. Can you find out how much the profit or loss is? You have to find the difference between the cost price and the selling price. Profit is selling price minus cost price. Loss is cost price minus selling price. Basically, you subtract the smaller price from the bigger price. So, you already know if it is a profit or loss. So, just call it that. Look at the deal again and calculate the profit or loss. Here, the loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So, that is 45,000 rupees minus 35,000 rupees, which is equal to 10,000 rupees. So, the loss is 10,000 rupees. Look at the deal again. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is 1000 minus 700, which is equal to 300. So the profit is 300 rupees. Suresh bought 6 chairs and a dining table for rupees 15,500. He sold it all for rupees 20,000. How much profit did he make? Here, the cost price is rupees 15,500. The selling price is rupees 20,000. Since the selling price is more than the cost price, we have a profit. The difference between selling price and cost price is a profit. Therefore, 20,000 rupees minus 15,500 rupees, which is equal to 4,500 rupees. Therefore, the profit is 4,500 rupees. The owner of Metro Stores purchased a dozen pencils at rupees 2 per pencil. He sold all the pencils for rupees 30. Was there a profit or loss, and how much? Let us find the cost price first. The owner bought 12 pencils at 2 rupees each. That means his cost price is 2 into 12, which is equal to 24 rupees for 12 pencils. He sold them all at rupees 30. that is the selling price. Selling price is greater, so it is a profit. The profit is rupees 30 minus rupees 24, which is equal to rupees 6. How will you find the selling price when cost price and profit are given? We first write the formula, that is profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. We know that when there is a profit, cost price is lesser than selling price. So, cost price plus profit is equal to selling price. Find out the selling price. He just given that cost price and loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. In loss, cost price is greater than selling price. Selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Find out selling price. He just given that the cost price is 1920 rupees and profit is 350 rupees. We know that formula for profit, selling price minus cost price is equal to profit. From that, we get the formula for selling price. Selling price is equal to profit plus cost price. We put in the value to get the answer. Therefore, selling price is equal to 350 plus 1920, which is equal to 2270. Find out the selling price. If cost price is 2755 rupees and loss is 220 rupees. The formula for loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. From this formula, write selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Substitute the given values in this formula. 2755 minus 220, which is equal to 2535. Therefore, the selling price is 2535 rupees. A shopkeeper buys a phone for rupees 2400. Want to price fall in the market. He was forced to sell it at a loss of 325 rupees. Find the selling price of the phone. Given cost price is equal to 2400 rupees and loss is equal to 325 rupees. The formula for loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So, from this formula, selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Substitute given values, 2400 minus 325. So, which is equal to 2075 rupees. Namita purchases an article for rupees 3400 and sells it at a loss of 736 rupees. Find the selling price of the article. Given that cost price 3450 rupees and loss 736 rupees. Now, write the formula for loss, that is cost price minus selling price. From this formula, find out the selling price formula. Selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Put values in this formula. 3450 minus 736, which is equal to 2714. Therefore, the selling price is 2714 rupees. How will you find the cost price when selling price and profit are given? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. If there is a profit, cost price is less than selling price. Therefore, cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Find out the cost price if selling price and loss are given. If there is a loss, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. In loss, cost price is greater than selling price. Therefore, cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. For example, find out the cost price if selling price is 2120 rupees and profit is 120 rupees. First, write the formula for profit, which is equal to selling price minus cost price. Here, we want cost price. Therefore, cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Substitute the values given 2120 minus 120, which is equal to 2000. Therefore, the cost price is 2000 rupees. In this example, selling price is 2455 and loss is 165 rupees. We need to find out cost price. Write the formula for loss. Cost price minus selling price. From this formula, find out the cost price formula. Cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. Now, put the values in this formula 2455 plus 165, which is equal to 2620. Anita made the profit of rupees 990 by selling a washing machine for rupees 12,780. Find the cost price of the washing machine. Given that selling price is rupees 12,780 and profit is rupees 990. The formula is selling price minus cost price is equal to profit. So, from this formula, cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Put the values in this formula 12,780 minus 990, which is equal to 11,790 rupees. Therefore, the cost price is 11,790 rupees. Find the cost of a television set when it is sold for rupees 23,770 at a loss of rupees 820. Here, selling price is 23,770 rupees and loss is 820 rupees. Cost price minus selling price is equal to loss. Cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. Put the values in this formula 23,770 plus 820, which is equal to 24,590. The cost price is equal to 24,590. We know that when selling price is greater than cost price, there is a profit. When selling price is less than cost price, there is a loss. So, here the profit can be calculating by subtracting the cost price from the selling price. Symbolically, it can be represented as profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So, we can derive the formula for the selling price by using the above formula. If we transfer the cost price to the other side, we get the selling price as cost price plus profit. Similarly, we can also derive the formula CP by using the formula. So, here by transferring profit to the left hand side, we get CP. CP is equal to SP minus profit. Let us solve an example here to understand it clear. In this example, if CP is equal to $10 and SP is equal to $12, find profit or loss. We observe this, the SP is greater than the CP. So, we can say that there is a profit. Write the formula for profit. By substituting the values in the formula, P is equal to SP minus CP. We get here 12 minus 10. By subtracting, we get 2 as profit. Let us see one more example. In this example, if CP is equal to $600 and profit is equal to $50, find SP. By substituting the values in the formula, that is, SP is equal to CP plus P, which is equal to 600 plus 50. By adding this, selling price as $650. Let us solve one more example over here. If SP is equal to $750 and profit is equal to $100, find CP. So, here by substituting the values in the formula, that is, CP is equal to SP minus P, which is equal to 750 minus 100. By subtracting, CP as $650. Profit and loss percentages. Now we are going to discuss about profit and loss percentages. Let us learn about the profit percent. When SP is greater than CP, there is a profit, and profit percent is given by the formula profit by CP into 100. And coming to loss percent, when SP is less than CP, there is a loss, and loss percent is given by the formula loss by CP into 100. So, here we can observe that the profit percent and the loss percent are calculated on the CP as the SP depending on the CP. Let us solve an example. If CP is equal to $500 and profit is equal to $50, find profit percent. The formula for the profit percent is equal to profit by CP into 100. By substituting the given values in the formula, profit, that is 50, and CP, that is 500. So 50 by 500 into 100. So here by simplifying 100 in 100 one time and in 500 5 times. Again we simplifying over here 5 in 5 one time and in 50 10 times. So here we get the profit percent is 10%. Let us solve one more example. If CP is equal to $600 and loss is equal to $30, find loss percentage. We already know loss percent is given by loss by CP into 100. That is, loss is 30 by CP is 600 into 100. By simplifying, cancel 100 in 100 one time and in 600 6 times. Again, cancel 6 in 6 one time and in 35 times. So, loss percentage is 5. Let us see some word problems. Raju sold a study table for 2035 rupees and made a profit of 350 rupees. What was its cost price? Write the given information. Selling price is given and profit is given. We need to find out cost price. So, let us write selling price is equal to 2035 rupees. And profit is equal to 350 rupees. Write the formula for cost price when selling price and profit are given. Cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Substitute the values in the formula. 2035 rupees minus 350 rupees, which is equal to rupees 1685. Bindu sells handmade jewelry. If she sold one set of jewelry for 447 rupees at a loss of 52 rupees, what was the cost of the jewelry? Observe the given information. Selling price is given and loss is given. We need to find out the cost price. So, write selling price is equal to 447 rupees and loss is equal to 52 rupees. Formula for cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. Substitute the given values, that is 447 rupees plus 52 rupees. Add up the numbers. 499 rupees is the cost price. Next problem. A shopkeeper bought rice at the rate of 25 rupees per kg from the wholesaler. He sold the rice at the rate of 30 rupees per kg. What will be his profit percentage? Observe the given information. Cost price is given and selling price is given. We need to find out profit percentage. So, write down selling price and cost price. Now, write the formula for profit. That is selling price minus cost price. Here, selling price is more than the cost price. Substitute the values. 30 rupees minus 25 rupees, which is equal to 5 rupees. Therefore, the profit is 5 rupees. But we have to find out profit percentage. So, write the formula for profit percentage, which is equal to profit by CP into 100. Put the values in the formula. 5 by 25 into 100. Now simplify this. 5 in 5 table 1 time and in 25 5 times. And again simplify 5 in 5 table 1 time and in 100 20 times. So profit percent is equal to 20%. Next problem. A cooker was bought for ₹1,000 and sold for ₹800. Find the loss or profit and loss or profit percentage. So, what is the information given? Yes, CP is given, which is equal to ₹1,000 and SP is equal to ₹800. CP is greater than SP, so it is a loss. Therefore, loss is equal to CP minus SP. Put the values in this formula. ₹1,000 minus ₹800. After subtracting, we got ₹200. Now, we have to find out loss percentage. Therefore, formula for loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. Put the values in this formula. That is, loss is 200 by 1000 into 100. Now, simplify this. Cancel zeros in 200, 100 and in 1000. So, 20 is left over. Loss percent is equal to 20%.